Hiring developers and designers is no longer necessary. This one AI can build your entire animated website in minutes. It's time to say goodbye to traditional web development. The future is AI, and it's already here. With Gemini, we can create websites at our fingertips. So, without further delay, let's dive in. Hey, this is Shujat Ahmed, and you're watching AI Ustad 2.0. Let's head over to Google Gemini. This is not just a chatbot, this is a complete AI powerhouse. We can use this tool for multiple purposes such as generating images, creating music, and even guided learning. Here we can also explore different models of Gemini, including Gemini 3, Fast Thinking, and the Pro model. Each model is designed for different tasks, so we can pick the one that fits our needs perfectly. On top of that, we can also upload files directly. Click on Upload, and from here we have multiple options. We can upload a file from our device, add a Google Drive link, upload from photos, or even access Notebook LM. We can create website using this amazing tool. Now here is where the magic begins. We want to upload our PDF file. Click on Upload File, and we will select our website details, PDF. Before uploading, let's preview what's inside this document. This PDF contains the complete blueprint of our e-commerce store. The purpose of this website is to sell products online with a modern, user-friendly shopping experience. Inside, we can find all the key features of our e-commerce store, the website structure, front pages, and every important detail we need. Now select the PDF file and click on Open. Once our PDF is uploaded successfully, let's move to the prompt bar and type "Please analyze the PDF file." From the model options, we will select the thinking model and press Enter. Give it a few seconds. Gemini is now scanning our entire document and extracting every useful detail. Once the analysis is complete, we can see a full brand strategy and audience breakdown, including business name, target audience, key features, recommendations, and technology stack. This is incredibly powerful. Now let's take it to the next level. In the prompt bar, type "Now act as a senior web architect." I want to build a modern e-commerce website for a business. Press Enter. Watch what happens. Google Gemini 3 starts analyzing our prompt, gathering all the useful information, and thinking like a senior web architect. Once the analysis is complete, the real magic begins. Click on Tool, and from here, select Canvas. This is where everything comes together. In the prompt bar, type "Now act as a senior web developer." Using the structure and color pattern you just created, generate a complete e-commerce website for a business store. Press Enter. Gemini will now start building our website from scratch, writing the code line by line. Once the generation is complete, look at this. A fully modern, animated e-commerce website is ready right in front of us. Everything is built exactly according to our requirements. We can see different product categories like electronics, accessories, home decor, and many more. The entire website is fully animated, making it visually stunning and highly attractive. Now click on Code to see the full source code. From here, we can modify anything in our website effortlessly. But we are not stopping here. What if we want to redesign the entire look? On the right side of the canvas, we can describe any changes, and they will appear instantly. Let's type in the prompt bar, "Now act as a senior UX UI designer." Redesign this website to look like a modern premium e-commerce platform. Press Enter. Now Gemini starts analyzing the current design and completely redesigning the interface with a focus on luxury aesthetics, high contrast visuals, premium typography, and fluid motion animations. Once the redesign is complete, this is incredible. Our website now looks like a high-end premium e-commerce platform. Everything is significantly better than the previous version. The categories are refined, the typography is completely different, and the overall design feels like it was crafted by a professional designer, because that is exactly what we asked Gemini to do. Let's explore the functionality. We can browse through the website, and if we want to purchase something, it appears directly in our cart. Here we can see all the product details. When we increase the product quantity, the total amount on the right side of the canvas updates automatically. Everything works seamlessly. The cart, the pricing, and the checkout flow. Click on Proceed to Payment, and our order is confirmed. We can create fully functional websites like this easily and effortlessly with just a few prompts. Now let's share our website with the world. Click on Share. From here, we can share our website directly on LinkedIn and Facebook. We can also copy the website link. Once the link is copied, open another browser and paste the link. And there it is. Our website is live and visible to anyone with the link. We can create such stunning, fully animated websites effortlessly with the help of Google Gemini 3. Every single element is detailed, responsive, and beautifully animated, making our website stand out from the competition. Try this latest Gemini feature for yourself. You must try it and create such types of websites for your different e-commerce stores and different purposes. From now on, don't worry about creating a website. Just use this incredible feature and build professional websites effortlessly. That's how you build a premium animated website using Google Gemini 3. No coding, no designers, just pure AI. Try it yourself using the link in the description. Like, subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0, and drop your results in the comments. See you in the next video.